What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Another tournament. It's currently just raining outside. We've had to kind of wait out about an hour for the lightning to pass, but we're getting ready to launch. And I'm probably not going to film on the GoPro right away. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Back out here with Chris. Third tournament of the year. And we had to postpone for about an hour to because of lightning, but we're all in the clear now. It just stopped raining. Beautiful overcast conditions. I think it's gonna be a good morning, but just launching here. Just first line's in at 6:50, so got till 2 o'clock. Let's make something happen. This lake is cool. I like this lake. Crystal clear. Way up there? Yeah. Crappies are probably all up on here. That's a tank. Yeah. Ooh, that was too close. That was like 8 miles away. That doesn't suck. The board's right here.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Oh.
We got 25 minutes in. First fish of the day, 14.75. Let's get it. I'm probably gonna keep throwing this, to be honest, until we get to frogginess waters. Alright, we had a little bit of a rain delay. It started pouring, but we just got our second fish. 17 inches, nice one, deep brush pile. Yeah, we're figuring something out. There she goes. Really?
Oh my god. I don't think it's that big. Oh, it's bigger than I thought. Cool. Probably 15. I don't know. Oh, that might be big. No, it's 15. They're fat here, dude. Yeah. 15.75?
Yeah, we're not getting 16 out of him. 8.51. Chris just got another one. 15 3/4. Really? Just on the fall, eh? Yeah, it is. Yep. good.
I don't think he's hooked good. It's like that good at all. I just pulled up.
Deep brush.
Wait, is that a wall?
No, bass. Oh, I missed. Dude, that's a tank.
Sweet.
Remember, you know how we always say, like, you have a good day, then I have a good day? This is both of our day.
Yeah, I'm hoping this whole day is just like... Dude, we just need a 20. I just want to catch a 20 like one of us.
Yeah.
We haven't caught one today this year. Not even, actually, we haven't caught one at all.
No, I haven't.
17 total?
Yeah, I'm thinking so.
He's funny.
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah. 16.75. That's right on.
Yeah, that's fine. I want a picture of that one. Chris just got number 4, 15 3/4. Beauty. Oh.
Feel one? Yeah. There's one over there.
Oh.
Yeah, I saw it run. On your thing, I saw it run.
I didn't want to like set the hook. Oh my god, that was a tank. I just didn't want to set the hook that hard. So we were right here, I felt like. Did you see how far he was running out?
Chased it.
He just picked it up and darted. Yeah, I seen him. He picked it up right away, right as it hit that log. There we go. That'll help. There's a few on that brush, by the way.
Got him again. This one's bigger than
Look how yellow he is.
I know. It's like bullhead.
Doubled up, probably another 14. Chris just caught a little 13, but it might call our smallest. All right, 14 and what? Half. 5th fish limit. Ooh. Oh yeah.
Another 17 or 18 probably.
God damn, son.
Oh.
We had a good total going.
Yeah. Like I said, I think it's going to take all over 15.
$16.25.
Yes, mate.
It's been a hot minute, but I think we just cold one. There's 16 3/4. It's working great. I mean, one battery's mostly. Oh my, that's a hybrid.
That's a 10-inch hybrid. That's rare. Measure that bitch. That might be 10 inches.
Crush that thing.
That's a big hybrid. They don't ever get that big.
8.
8 inches. That's pretty big, dude.
Do we? 16.5. I think that definitely calls something for us. I think we're averaging around 16 inches for sure. We have 117 and 16.5. We still got, it's only 10:40. It's about, well, almost 11. We still got quite a few hours left in this day. Something we kind of figured right away. We thought cloudy, rain, possibly a top water bite, but no, complete opposite. I think the pressure system that rolled through this morning messed them up, and they're feeding hard on the bottom. Whenever we can find good structure, we're catching some good quality fish. So I think we're just gonna keep that interception. Oh, cheeked up.
What makes a difference when it's a heavy rod?
Keep it down.
It feels pretty big. Unless it's just stuck in the grass.
No, there's no grass right there. There's your 19, 20, bruh. Chris caught big fish of the day. Give her one more look. Yeah, I see that, buddy. Good old 19. Big fish, possibly. Nice job, man. Well, guys, just kind of sitting here after the tournament, and overall, it was a pretty good tournament. That was our first rain delay that we've had. That storm just freshly rolling through definitely made those fish feed down. I could not get a frog bite at all. Usually on a rainy, cloudy day you can, but I think that pressure system just pushed all those fish down, and they were hitting hard on a Texas rig. Anything we found near any type of structure, a weed line, rock, or certain sticks, we were able to capitalize and get some decent bites, but just couldn't get that big upgrade. And I think we lost by, first place was 91 inches, and we got 85.5 or something like that, which still is pretty decent for a 5 fish limit. Congratulations to Justin and Nate. That was a heck of a bag. They had an 18-inch average, their biggest being 18.75 and their smallest being 17.5, and they finished off with 91 inches. That's the biggest bag for this season so far, so congratulations to them. And yeah, another second place finish for us. This is our third tournament, second place finish for us. And yeah, overall pretty happy with the day. We're still pretty new to that lake, so, but you're gonna, by the time you see this video, we may or may not have fished our next tournament, but our next one is a brand new lake we've never even fished. Might be able to get out and pre-fish it for one day, just kind of get the lay of the land, but don't really have any much of a prediction for this next tournament. Like I said, it's brand new, so just kind of be going along and just having fun and doing some fishing. So thank you guys for watching this video. We'll see you next time.